I have a pot here and the glass here. I cover these two with these two cylinders. Now the bottle comes here and the glass goes there. See, glass comes here and the bottle goes here. The bottle is here and the glass is here. Now I cover this glass and this bottle and the glass. Now the bottle comes here and the glass goes here. Now the glass is here and the bottle is here. I cover this bottle and this glass. The bottle comes here and the glass I take here. See, the glass is here and the bottle is here. I cover this and I cover this glass and the bottle comes here and takes glass here. The glass is here. Still the bottle is here. I cover this bottle and this glass. The bottle comes back, the glass goes here. Here is the glass and here is the bottle. I place this bottle, cylinder over this glass, and now the glass goes here. The bottle comes here. Now the bottle is here and the glass is here. I just make this bottle come back to this and the glass goes here. Now the glass is here and the bottle is here. These are stolen bottles. And here there are 3 more bottles stolen by my assistants. I have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 more bottle here.